All right, guys, let's say y'all want a 1-bed, 1-bath. This one we can do for $69,000. This is a 1-bed, 1-bath, fully loaded. So this is gonna come with electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, ready to roll. All you gotta do is bring your appliances in and you're off and running. Got your mini split there, open concept living room, right? We got a couple accent walls here. We painted the knotty pine just to kind of break it up for you a little bit so you ain't got too much wood, okay? This right here is where you're gonna put, you can put your stove, microwave, refrigerator over here. There's your kitchen sink. You got your dishwasher over here. Go down the hallway and can't see it, it's pretty dark, but you got a walk-in shower. You got your commode, you got your sink. Over here, you got your spot for your stackable washer and dryer. And then you got your bedroom right over here. So again, beautiful structure. Over here, you got your electric panel already ready to go, plug and play. You got your water heater. We can go tankless if you want us to. So that way you can use this as an actual closet. Got everything you need. Again, 1-bed, 1-bath. El Poco Loco for $69,900. So $69,900 again, plus shipping and installation. So give us a call today at 1-800-513-1675. Again, that's 1-800-513-1675. Got a little front porch on it, little 6-foot by 8 front porch that's also included in it. Okay, we will ship them nationwide. We are AmishBuiltCabins.com. Give us a call. We got a couple of these left in inventory. We had like 10, we're down to 2. Let's put a deposit down. Let's get you one of these. Y'all have a blessed day. Take care, y'all. All right, guys, we got another beautiful park model. Again, we got that beautiful premium ribbed metal siding with the cedar trim on the front. You can see on the end here, you got your Bosch mini split. This one is set up as a 1-bed, 1-bath. Customer order here. This one's getting ready to ship out, so I wanted to make a quick video real fast of it before it ships out. This one's got something pretty unique in it that you guys have not seen before. You can see they got it all taped up so the doors don't open up during transportation. But look what we got here in this corner. It's got a little mini fireplace right there in the corner. It goes right out the top. Isn't that cool? Little mini wood burning stove or pellet stove. You got your Bosch mini split. Again, this is where your living room is going to be. Nice open concept. You got your quartz countertops, 4-burner stove, General Electric appliances. You got your refrigerator. Spot here for your clothes, you hang up your jackets. Go down the hallway, open this up. And again, we're getting ready to ship it. So we got it all taped off because this has been sold. So that way everything doesn't swing open during transportation. But as you can see, you get the toilet seat taped down there on the ground. And look at that. Isn't that pretty? Okay. Over here, you got a closet down in the hallway. And last but not least, look at those nice big open sliding doors. You got your built-in, that'll fit a queen size bed, closet space on the bottom. Just beautiful, all kinds of cabinet space. There's your electrical panel. There is your Bosch mini split. And there's huge windows. Again, Anderson double pane windows, lots of storage. I just love those sliders at the end. All that natural light coming in. You can build a little porch off the end of that. And again, just a beautiful park model RV. Give us a call, guys, 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. If you are interested in purchasing a beautiful Amish built park model from us. It's a long haul down here. Jump down, let me show you the outside of it one last time. And Isn't that pretty? Again, give us a call, 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. Let's get you a beautiful cabin out on your land. Okay, we are AmishBuiltCabins.com. All right, guys, we got a brand new one on the lot. Brand new. This is the one we call the Villa. This is the Villa Cottage. So if you're looking for something more modern, this is the one we call the Villa Cottage. Starting to get dark right now, so I can't really go in it. We got electric in it, but I don't got it hooked up to the grid. So I figured I'd just do a little video for you real quick. I got to keep it under 3 minutes for Instagram. But let me give you some quick dimensions on this one. This one is a 12-foot by 40-foot, 1 bed, 1 bath, fully loaded, turnkey. It's got electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, tubs, toilets, and sinks in it. Okay. It's got a 100 amp in it, or we can upgrade it to a 200 amp if you want. If you want to go with like a tankless or on-demand water heater, we can upgrade it, no big deal. It does have an 8-foot by 12-foot porch on the end. You got 2 options. We can, if you don't like the porch, we can just make it bigger and close off the porch and still keep it 1 bed, 1 bath. Okay, but if we do that, it's $95,000 if we close it up. If we close it up and make it a bedroom, it's $99,000 for this one. But if you keep it just the way it is, it's $89,900. 1 bed, 1 bath with this 8-foot by 12-foot porch at the end. Again, this is fully turnkey, plug and play. This is perfect for like an ADU, a granny pod, backyard cabin. You know, mom and dad, they're getting older now. They need a place to live, right? And you want them close to home, but you don't want them in your home, right? You don't want that kind of smoke. You don't want that drama. So put you one of these in the backyard, an ADU, accessory dwelling unit, so you can keep mom and dad close to home, but not in the home. That way you don't got all that smoke. You know what I'm saying? So beautiful home. Again, 1 bed, 1 bath as is, $89,900. 2 bed, 1 bath. We'll close off the end here and make it a 2nd bedroom, $99,000 plus shipping and installation, which just depends on your zip code and all of that. This one is available for sale. Give us a call at 812-595-4033. Again, that's 812-595-4033. I love y'all. Y'all be blessed. Hit that like, share, and follow button. You know who it is. Cabin Cowboy coming at you from AmishBuiltCabins.com and AmishMadeFurniture.com. Again, the link is in the bio. Go check out the website. What I got on my lot is just a small sample. The website is an all-you-can-eat prefab buffet. Y'all have a blessed day. All right, let's say you're looking for a beautiful little park model for sale built by the Amish. This one's got about a 412 pitch on it. Got that metal siding on it, white windows. Anderson windows, double pane, easy clean. Let me open this up and take you all inside real quick. Big step up. And again, there you go. Open concept. Got a spot there for your stove, refrigerator. I like that color blue. Got your open concept living room over here. White birch walls, LED lights, all kinds of window light coming in. Go on to the back. Got your full walk-in shower, your commode, mirror, and then of course you got your bedroom here in the back. Got a spot for your stackable washer. This one's been sold, so we got everything kind of broken apart right now, ready to ship. You got your closet over here. I just wanted to make, there's your 20-gallon water heater. Master bedroom. Just wanted to make a quick video real fast before they ship it off. Amish were nice enough to let me videotape it for us real quick. So again, just looking for a small home for your land. We can either build this on skids or we can build it just like you see it here on a trailer where you can pull it around where you need it to go. Again, give us a call, 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. Let's get you a beautiful cabin or park model out on your land. Okay? Again, that's 812-595-4033. Y'all have a blessed day. Come back and see us.